Okay, so today I'm going to show how to implement audio dubbing in YouTube, which is a new features, and now it is available for everyone who is uploading content on the YouTube. So first of all, go in Chrome and type studio.youtube.com. So this is the URL, and go there. Okay, so once you will reach there, so this channel already has audio dubbing, so I'm going to switch the channel. And okay, so in this channel the dubbing is not available. So what you need to do, you need to go in setting right there. All right, so once you will go in setting, there is upload default, so click on there and go in advanced settings. All right, then after you need to go here, there is given auto dubbing, so you need to click on enable. So you will, this will show something, and something more you want to change, you can change. All right, so I want to, for now I just want to enable this setting, so you need to click save. All right, so once you click save, it has said settings saved successfully. So now after the videos which will be uploaded on your channel, that will automatically will have all the possible languages over there. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.